Okay, so today is the day for our 5th Slovene lesson. It's our first outdoor lesson. It's a splendid day here, so we'll do seasons today and maybe months. But first I would really like to show you where I am today, because it's really beautiful here. I am visiting my parents. It's my father's birthday, so this is going to be a short panorama look of the place. Okay, so let's start. One of little villages up on a hill with a church. In Slovenia, every single village tends to have a church, especially if it's on the hill. And what you see over there is the highest hill, or they call it a mountain here. It's over 1,200 meters high. And there we go. Okay. And this group of houses is the village where my family, the Celestina family, started sometime 1650, I think, or maybe 1648. I think the first data starts back there. So you zoom out and make another little circle, and on this side you don't see anything but the sun. So, okay, that's a complete circle. Okay, now briefly today's lesson. Now it's autumn. That's the way I prefer it, not fall, autumn. It's jesen. Then comes winter, zima. Then of course it's spring, so it's pomlad. And then poletje, summer. So it's jesen, zima, pomlad, poletje. And the names of the months are more or less the same. Of course, pronunciation is different. We'll start with October, November, December, Januar, Februar, Marec, April, Maj, Juni, Juli, August, September. And then of course it's back to October. Gosh, I really like it here. See, it's beautiful. And I already took a shitload of pictures, so I took all of my gear with me, so I just might post some of that later. So take care.